Today I'm super excited to show you my weekly hair care routine that has been a game changer for combating hair fall and to promote hair growth. As someone who has struggled with hair fall, I know how frustrating it is to see hair strands everywhere but not on your head. After doing a lot of research and trying different products, I have found a routine that works wonders for me. Today I will show you how to use an hair oil and hair growth drops to keep my hair strong, healthy and growing. So if you are looking for an effective way to reduce hair fall and to boost hair growth, then stay tuned. Good morning guys. So after waking up, I drink half a liter of water on empty stomach, just normal plain water. My breakfast thali contains a lot of hair and nourishing foods. We have some eggs, sweet potato, walnuts and pista, some green gram, and for dessert I'm having some sesame balls made with jaggery. I also have this curry leaves and buttermilk every day. Just add some curd, add some water and full of curry leaves, some chaat masala for that extra kick. Curry leaves contain iron and folate which improves blood circulation to the scalp. Regular consumption of curry leaves maintain natural hair color and prevents premature graying. The combined nutrients from the buttermilk and curry leaves helps in reducing hair fall by nourishing the hair from within and strengthening the roots. In the afternoon, I oil my hair. We will start by detangling our hair with a wooden comb. This is a crucial step to prevent breakage and ensure that the hair oil is evenly distributed. Gently run the wooden comb on the scalp. Wooden combs are great because they reduce static and are gentle on the hair. Next, we will be using an hair oil with a comb applicator. This makes it easy to apply the oil directly to the scalp. Currently, I am using the PROTOUCH Hair Growth Oil. Section your hair. Use the comb applicator to distribute the oil along your scalp. The herbal ingredients nourish the scalp and strengthens the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. This hair oil from PROTOUCH is crafted with 100% natural cold-pressed herbal oils. Infused with the goodness of Neem, Rosemary and Bringraj, it deeply nourishes your scalp and improves hair density. I always prefer herbal hair oils and this one is my recent discovery. After applying the oil, give yourself a gentle scalp massage using a silicone scalp massager. Use circular motions to increase the blood flow to the scalp, which helps in better absorption of the nutrients in the oil. Gently move the brush from top to bottom. Put a bun and let the hair oil rest for 1 hour. Use a mild herbal shampoo to cleanse your hair without stripping away all the natural oils. This keeps your hair hydrated and healthy. The final step in our routine is applying hair growth drops. Applying a scalp serum is something very important to me and I do it every single day. This serum is from PROTOUCH. It is the biotin and collagen hair growth drops. This hair growth drops contains powerful ingredients like Redesnyl, Anagain, Procapil, biotin and collagen, all known for their ability to reduce hair fall and stimulate new growth. Apply few drops directly onto your scalp, focusing on areas where you notice thinning. Gently massage the serum with your fingertips to ensure it penetrates deeply. Incorporate this routine into your weekly hair care regimen and you will start seeing a reduction in hair fall and an increase in hair growth. I hope you find these tips and products useful. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care. So be patient and give your hair the love it deserves. If you found this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from hair fall so that it will be useful for them too. If you have any questions or you want to share your own hair care tips, then do leave it in the comment section. I love hearing it from you guys and also love learning from you guys. Use the coupon code for 10% discount. This video is not sponsored nor do I get any commissions from this sale. This is my honest hair care routine that I do every week. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Take care. As someone who has struggled with hair for